Hello, welcome back. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Boya BY-BM3011. I want to use this for my GoPro, but also for my videos. This is also a Boya microphone. I'm not that happy with it. It sounds okay, but I want to have better sound. So let's see what we got in the box. Well, this is for outside. For the wind. I don't know exactly how you call this. Then we have the microphone, also for the wind. .3.5 millimeter jack cable. It goes in right here. And the qualified certificates and some silicone. That's it. Let's see. Oh, that fits very easy. But let's use this. This is for a battery. It fits one AAA battery, and it's on. I'm going to put it on my camera I'm using right now and see if there's any difference in sound.
A few moments later.
Okay, welcome back. I just installed or attached this microphone to my camera and it didn't work. But then I found out there's another cable in there which says smartphones or smartphone. So you can use this for a smartphone, but it won't work on another camera. I have no idea how it sounds now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a listen and be right back and see what the difference is between that Boya and this Boya. I'll be right back. Well, that was easy. Very easy. This one, it doesn't sound very bad, but for the quality in the videos, I was not happy with it. Now I'm using this one, and that's a big difference. So from now on, I'm gonna keep on using this. I will put a link in the description, and yes, I like this a lot, especially for the price. It's not a bad thing. So, thank you for watching. Bye bye.